Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper here, continuing the projects on my trailer here. Hanging a cabinet on the wall right now, and I'm putting some supporting 2x4s through the structure of the cap. And these vertical stringers you see right here have metal that are embedded in there. And the metal provides extra support at those points right there. So you want to drill through those when you're trying to support something in this trailer, and it has it throughout all of the cap right here. And it's a fiberglass cap, but it does have that aluminum metal in there to help support against the various stresses that such a cap encounters. So right now I drilled 1/4-inch holes, 3 of them, hung the 2x4, and now I'm at the point where I need to bolt down and tighten the bolts from the outside, but I don't have anybody here to help me and hold the bolt here on the inside. So one of these little life hacks right here, I drilled a lag bolt into the wood right there. This way it'll support this vice grip as I tighten the nylon nut on the other side outside of the trailer. Here's the cabinet hanging. You put most of it together before you hang it. You don't put the doors or the shelf in there. You hang it first, and then you put it on the top, and then the shelf, and then the doors. Really easy to put together. It just snaps together, and you kind of fasten it together with a couple of Phillips head screws. As you can see, I put 2 pieces of 2x4 there along the walls, so I can hang something there. I think my Mr. Heater might go there, I'm not sure. But cabinets nice to have inside, you know, if you just want to keep things inside. You don't want to have to go outside to your toolbox to get something if you're camping in this thing. There it is, closed. Alright, so quick video, not that hard of an install. Better with 2 men or women, but nevertheless it went pretty well. Alright, as always, hope you like, subscribe, comment, and as always, keep prepping. Take care, everybody.